Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute little cactus pin cushion. Let's get started. In my last couple sewing videos, you've probably seen this sad excuse for a pin cushion lurking around in the background. A while ago, I had bought some felt and a little tiny terracotta pot with the intention of making it into a cute little cactus pin cushion, and I didn't want to work on it right away. So I just kind of rolled up the felt and stuck it in the pot and set it aside so that everything was together for that project, so that when I did want to do it, it would be right there. But what ended up happening is that I just started sticking pins into the felt like that and started using that as my pin cushion. I ended up just getting kind of lazy about it because it worked fine as a pin cushion like that. So I was like, whatever, it works like this. I'm gonna be lazy. I finally decided that I wanted to actually make it into the cactus pin cushion because I got tired of how it looked. I mean, it was pretty messy and janky looking, and also since it wasn't glued in, because that's not what it was supposed to look like, the felt would fall out all the time and it was just kind of annoying. So anyway, I drew the shape of the cactus using the pot to help determine how wide I wanted it to be. Since I'll be stuffing this and that's going to take away some of the width, I made the base a tiny bit wider than the pot. You basically want the top to have rounded corners with a little bit of a dip down in the middle, and then you want to taper in each edge so it's slightly thinner at the base. I cut out 6 pieces like this. I paired up the pieces and sewed them together, leaving the base open. I wanted the sewing to be decorative, so I used embroidery thread and I did a blanket stitch. Once those were all sewn up, I stacked them on top of each other, and then I sewed down the middle, connecting them all together. So now I had something like this. And now I stuffed each section. I stuffed, and stuffed, and stuffed, until this is what I had. I sewed up the bottom to keep all the stuffing in place. And then to finish it off with a cute little flower on top, I cut 3 pieces of pink felt, cut them into circles. I took one of the circles, folded it in half, and then in half again. I cut the edges and middle about halfway in. I unfolded it, and then I cut each little section into a petal. And then I stacked them on top of each other, positioning them so the petals from the previous layer are sticking out between the next layer's petals. I cut a small circle out of yellow felt and cut fringe all the way around the edge. I sewed the yellow and pink pieces together at the middle, and then I sewed them onto the top of the cactus. Then I used hot glue to attach the cactus to the pot. And actually, if I did this again, I probably would try to put some kind of weights at the bottom of the terracotta pot. I kind of made the cactus a little bit tall, So it would have been kind of nice to just have it be a little bit more heavy on the bottom so it would feel more sturdy. Anyway, finally I stuck my pins into the new pin cushion. And here it is. I freaking love how this turned out. It's so cute. And there we go. I have a better, way more adorable pincushion. What do you guys think? If you liked this video, please leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all of that good stuff. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!